Have you ever experienced the feeling that certain cosmetic products almost seem to anticipate your needs, even before you realize them? Well, there's not only good science behind this, but a good reason too. And it's all thanks to consumer insights. Yes, this power tool helps companies create products that truly resonate with their target audience. Consumer insights are the foundation of successful cosmetic product development. They reveal how people think, feel, and behave towards products, providing evidence to guide innovation and reduce risk, shifting teams from what do the consumers buy to why do they buy it, and how can we meet the need more effectively. True insight combines data interpretation, contextual understanding, and strategic synthesis. This is the translation from observation to motivation that makes insights actionable. To batch up a product that feels as though it was formulated just for you, companies like Procter & Gamble conduct market research to create and use a persona. It's the first step in a customer-focused approach. Companies and brands like Olay meticulously construct these detailed profiles, not just of demographics, but of the very essence of their target audience, their needs, behaviors, and preferences. By truly grasping these aspects, businesses fine-tune their products and services, adding that special touch that makes customers feel uniquely understood and catered to. And because personas capture the why, they help connect usage behaviors to the motivations that matter. So product, claims, and experience can be tuned to what people actually value later in development. But this is then taken one step further. To stay in the game and stay in sync with the consumers, companies have to surf the waves of ever-changing market trends. Understanding the interaction between these trends and the flow of consumer choices is key to staying relevant and competitive. Take, for instance, the booming demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products. It's a reflection of seismic and important shift in consumer values and ethics. So businesses need to tweak their strategies to align with these evolving preferences, ensuring their offerings harmonize with what modern consumers expect. Alongside trend tracking, developers study ethnographic research, social media conversations, dermatologist feedback, and post-purchase reviews to spot patterns, ingredient transparency, inclusive shade ranges, and sustainability in packaging, and then weigh those signals against market currents to prioritize where to play first. Now, let's talk about the real thrill of consumer insights, spotting those market gaps and niches. These are the places where current offerings don't quite hit the mark for consumers. It's not just about finding a new slice of the market, it's about deeply connecting with what the consumers want. The insight becomes the spark for innovation, leading to the birth of fresh, unique products and services that cater to those very desires. For example, a rise in searches for gentle exfoliants isn't just a data blip. It reflects the deeper driver of wanting visible results without damaging the skin barrier, an opportunity that turns a pattern into a product direction. With an in-depth understanding of consumer behavior, companies find themselves equipped with the tools to let their creativity run wild. Yes, it sometimes involves rolling out new products, but it's just as important to reimagine and innovate what already exists. This might mean a tweak here, a transformation there, all while focusing the spotlight on the consumer. Once identified, an insight must be synthesized into a strategic direction, linking behavior to a product opportunity that can inform formulation, positioning, and communication. Done well, insight elevates creativity from intuition to structured decision-making, keeping bold design choices anchored in verified patterns of behavior. Consumer insight isn't just a compass for companies, it's a whole playbook for setting marketing and brand goals. Equipped with this knowledge, setting marketing goals goes from guesswork to a data-powered precision process. Companies can now innovate marketing strategies and campaigns. They don't just hit certain metrics. They engage, resonate, and build lasting emotional bonds. The message and indeed the product and the customer's experience needs to connect straight to their needs and expectations, genuinely persuading customers to want to be loyal brand advocates. It also helps cross-functional teams from R&D to supply chain work from shared evidence rather than assumptions. aligning how success is defined and measured. But beyond the world of product development and marketing, consumer insight has a hand in shaping the entire customer experience journey. It involves guiding businesses on how to interact with the customers at every beat, from the first hello to ongoing support after purchase. Ensuring that every encounter a customer has with the brand is not only memorable, but meaningful, reinforces their decision to choose that brand. It's all about creating a seamless, engaging, and unforgettable experience that clicks with the consumer's lifestyle and values. In practice, this shifts innovation from idea hunting to insight-driven development, every choice laddering back to a clear link between data, human motivation, and brand purpose. Understanding and acknowledging consumer insight takes us way beyond the simple act of creating and selling products. It's the very heartbeat of a brand's relationship with its customers, offering a lens through which companies can see and truly understand their consumers. It's about building a reputation rooted in trust, empathy, and deep understanding. A holistic approach means not just meeting, but exceeding needs, formulating products and services that are nothing short of exceptional, and building a brand that becomes an integral, trusted part of people's lives. It's also about creating a seamless, engaging, and memorable experience that resonates with the consumer's lifestyles and values. The science of anticipation, the art of connection, and the magic of understanding.